Hey, smash that like button.
Hey! Ha ha! Ah!
Oh no! It's a tsunami!
What's that sound?
Control room. We need backup. Come fast. All right. Stay there. We are coming. It's not attacking. It's searching for something.
Give me my ore back.
I think it's scanning for something. What was it?
I want my ore.
Hey man, give the orb. It belongs to him.
No, it's mine. I won't give it.
Give me my ore back. Give me my ore back.
Give it back, or else we need to take action against you.
Please don't do that. I will give it. Here, take it.
Yeah, I got my orb.
Sorry for that. Come, we will escort you.
It's okay, I can go
How do you go?
like this.
Oh, that was so close. But what is that orb for? Yeah, at least we saved the city.
Hey, smash that like button.
Hey, McQueen, you ever thought about wrangling a snake as a pet, buddy?
I barely had time to fill up my tank, Mater. Mater, why the hell are you frozen like that? What's the deal? Mater, why the hell are you frozen like that? What's the deal?
Dude, what the heck happened to you?
Hey, I need something to fix my buddy. You got anything?
Yeah, I heard your buddy's in a pickle. I'm on it. Here you go. Take this and patch him up.
I'm coming, McQueen. I'm coming, McQueen. I'm coming.
What the actual heck did I just do? Thanks, Mater. You just saved my tail.
Come on, let's head back to the garage. Hit the like button and subscribe.
Damn, this forest is freaking gorgeous.
McQueen, you there, buddy?
Yo, Mater! What's up?
Don't go near that forest, McQueen. There's a monster truck out there.
Relax, Mater. I can handle myself.
All right, buddy. It's your funeral. I'm out of here.
What was that noise? Oh, it's just a tree. False alarm.
Fresh meat. Time to chow down.
Holy crap! Mater was right! That thing's real!
You can't escape me. I'm gonna crush you like a bug.
Oh yeah? Come and get me! It's over, you overgrown toaster. Hey, Mater, I'm coming home. Let's party.